In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign the level readers if you want to use that aspect of ReadyGen. So when you go into whatever unit you're going to, so I'm going to go to Unit 4. If I scroll down a little bit, you will have what level reader library goes with that unit, and you can pick whatever one you want. So let's say I want to put a trip to Capitol Hill, so I can go ahead and click on it and I can assign. So after I assign that, again, I can pick whatever date I want to assign it. So if I'd like to assign it this week for a class to, or one of my groups to read, I can put instructions in there if I want. I'm going to go ahead and click. I have small groups set up and I have certain kids that are in those groups. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick my small group 4, and I'm just going to assign it to that group, not the whole class. So then I click assign, and then it has been assigned to my class. I also then have taken it a step where you have in your resources, you can find the student activities or maybe a comprehension page or vocabulary practice page for those level readers. So if you go to Printable Resources, you can open up where it says Leveled Readers Teacher's Guide and Student Pages, and then find whatever book you want. So A Trip to Capitol Hill, Student, and in that it will open up a PDF, and you have a PDF or a couple of activities that you might want to assign to those students who just read that book. Now, you previously got an email from Casey on how to do a PDF and load it into so that the kids can actually write on them, and your students can highlight or put a text in it. So again, you're going to pretend to print it, but save it as a PDF on whatever page you want. And then you would go into your Savvis Realize and you would upload a file. So if I upload a file, I can find it on my computer, and in that in my Google Drive, I have that saved as a PDF, and then I open it, and then I can title it a So I title it A Trip to Capitol Hill. Maybe I want to actually put a description, student pages, so that I remember what that one is. And then I would have to click the I certify that I'm going to use this right, click that, and then you would click add. So I already have that on there, so I will show you. Then it comes up. If I go to my library, there it is, A Trip to Capitol Hill. I click on the 3 dots, and now I can assign that to the same group that I had for the story. So again, if I want them to do that next week, I would put that in there, and then I would click on, again, small group number 4, because they're the ones that I assign the story to, and then I would assign it. So that's how you use some of the leveled reader resources that ReadyGen provides for you if you want to have those for your small groups.